It takes 7 tubes to construct 15 boats. Right away, this is a ratio question, so we write a fraction. 7 tubes, 15 boats equals. We know this is what the question is going to. How many tubes, so that's what I don't know. The 7 tubes, right? Tubes. Because we're going tubes over boats. Tubes over boats. Must I purchase in order to make 10 boats? So 7 tubes to make 15 boats. How many tubes to make 10 boats? That's the easiest, fastest way to set up your proportion. Now, let's be smart and let's eliminate some answer choices if we don't have time. First of all, can x equal 7? Is it possible? It's impossible. Why? Because 7 tubes give us 15 boats already. We already know that. So how can 7 boats also give us 10? 7 tubes give us 10 boats. That's impossible. So E is wrong. Okay guys, answer me please. Can x equal 3? Can x equal 3? No. Can somebody explain really quickly using the chat box why x cannot equal 3? Come on, in just 2 words. Now, why is it too small? Take a look, guys. Here, the relationship between the numerators in a proportion must be equal to the relationship between the denominators, right? Is 15 double 10, or is 15 smaller than the double of 10, or is 15 greater than the double of 10? 15 is smaller than the double of 10, because the double of 10 is 20. If x is 3, 7 is going to be greater than the double of 3, because the double of 3 is 6. So this relationship is not correct. Okay, there is no way that x will be smaller than the half of 7. So A cannot be the answer. So it's either B, C, or D. Okay? Okay. Now, we can still move on and do some more guesses, but there's no point because it's a really easy question. How do I answer this question? Here's what we do. The x basically equals, we leave the x as it is. It equals this times that, so 7 times 10 over this, over 15. Okay, cross multiplication. Okay, 7 times 10 is 70 over 15. Now take a look, guys, at how I would do this on the test. I'm not going to do long division. I'm not going to try to divide 70 by 15 exactly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the answer choices. If the answer choice is B, what is 4 times 15? If it's 4, then it's going to give me 60. 4 times 15 is going to give me 60. What about 5? 5 times 15, the denominator, is going to give me 75. Well, I want the answer to be 70, so it's going to be something between 4 and 5, so it's not going to be 6. Okay, if I need between 4 and 5 tubes, how many tubes do I need to buy? Like, you need 4.5 tubes. Can you buy 4 tubes and then hope for the other half? No, you need to buy 5 tubes, so the answer is C right away. Or you can just divide, if that's what you want to do, and do 70 divided by 15. Then you go, okay, so it's 460 minus, so 10. So the answer is 4 and 10/15. Okay, which can be simplified as 4 and 2/3. Okay, so I need 4 tubes and 2/3 of a tube. So how many tubes do I need to get? 5 tubes.